Morning, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earth Watch, Monday, May 12, 2025. A brief report. I'm going to cover two areas. We have now 3 buoys into event mode. The ones I pointed out yesterday, Coral Sea, east side of Australia. The one north of Puerto Rico. And this one here, the Gulf of Alaska, which goes off on a regular basis now, on average once a week, sometimes twice a week. So this one is it's being pulled down almost 1.5 meters. A sudden jerk up, then it gets pulled down. And of course, this one, Coral Sea, pulled down. And the one off of Puerto Rico. Again, pulled down slightly. Now, one other interesting thing I caught in doing my morning heat check. In Russia, this one right here, and if you have a good memory, this is almost pinpoint location of the deep earthquake, 4.6 at 425 kilometers depth, yesterday. I'll take you to Google Earth. So this is the location of our heat detection. Oops. So notice the bend in the river here. This is our heat detection. Here's the bend in the river. So our heat detection is right about here. We're talking less than 1 kilometer. Uh, 2 points. Yeah, so heat right about here. Deep earthquake. If you want to just patience for a minute. 0439. Zero 0410. So our heat, and followed shortly after our earthquake. Fascinating. One quick check everywhere else before I leave you. Common, ongoing. This is Iwo Jima. There's still, I believe, there's a U.S. Marine base still there. Iwo Jima. I think that's Iwo Jima. One moment. It's early in the morning, all right? Well, if I'm wrong, I welcome a correction. South China Sea, the Chinese military bases on the atolls, which are the tops of volcanoes, are heating up. Again, anything unusual to me it'll pop up. I'll recognize it. Seems to be getting more in British Isles. Okay, folks. 3 buoys in motion now. I'm not sure if I stated this before. One thing that would really get my attention when I wake up in the morning, I go through all my checks and I turn on the National Data Buoy Center and I see buoys all over the place going off. This is the first one that caught my attention 2.5 years ago in the Coral Sea, activated in the absence of earthquakes. And that's when I started my research and suspecting that there's an active mantle plume in the area, pushing up underneath the crust. That was all. As you were, stand easy.